So this also does not work. Oh, it does work. Whoa. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at that. Wow. And then the good thing is that it doesn't stop lighting. There you go. Look at that. Oh, and then you can increase the flame and reduce it. And you only put it off by doing that. Wow. This is so amazing. I'm glad this one worked, even if refilling it has some leakage. So let's check this out. The other vintage. Hi, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to do a video of lighter refills. I bought this gas from the supermarket last week and I've had these lighters for a while. I got them from a friend and we are going to refill them and see whether they still work. Some of them are completely dead, like this one. So we are just going to put some gas and see whether it works. Some of them just don't have gas, while some of them might be lighting up slightly. So what you do when you get such a gas cylinder, you can see it comes with some nozzles that you can detach from the cap, or you can use it directly. So the instructions are that you should hold the can upside down vertically and you press against the place where you want to refill. So these lighters come in different designs. Like these ones are from Bic, and I think Bic strives to make it even harder for people to refill, because just look at that hole right at the middle, and there's no way that will be able to go in there. I'll try and see if I can get a nozzle that will fit in there, but there are some that are really easy to refill, like this kind. So in that case, I'll just place my lighter at the bottom and the gas cylinder at the top, and you press for 5 seconds. So 5 seconds, you have refilled your lighter, and you're advised not to use it until after 1 minute. So we'll place that at the side, and we're going to get another one. This is another Bic, so those ones, let's start with the easiest ones. This one has an easier refill, so the same thing goes for this. Hold it upside down and do for 5 seconds, 4 and 5. Do not use it until after 1 minute. And then we are going to do these vintage ones that I really love. And we'll see whether they still function. Oof. So that needs a nozzle. This one has an easier refill. So let's refill this. Okay. Even this should be easy to refill, but I'm not sure whether it's still active. This one actually has a viewing area, so this one is much easier to refill. As you can see, I've refilled a tiny bit, so let's keep it there. These are the pieces which we should find ways of refilling. Let's try this guy, see whether it goes in. Yeah, this one goes in pretty nice. Let's see whether it will. In this one actually there's no leakage, so that one should be fine. Now, there's so much leaking in this, and I am not able to find a way how we can refill that. But it feels heavier. Yeah, it definitely feels heavier, so it has refilled. Let's go ahead and try the first one and see whether it actually works. That one works okay. That one works okay. That is low and high. That one is perfect. And then I'm hoping this will work. This one works. It actually, interestingly, it works on the low side. The high side, oh, even the high side works. It's very effective. Perfect. Awesome. So those two work. This one is also one of my favorites. Let me see whether it actually works. No, this is not functional. This does not work. This does not work. How about this guy? I actually filled it with gas. If you can look at the level right there, it has enough gas. Okay, actually it does work. Like there you have it. There you have it. Oh, finally. I think it takes a while before it picks up the gas. Oh, awesome. That one is amazing. How about this guy? I'm just going to try this again and see whether it actually does work. Oh, too bad. Too bad that does not work. How about this guy? This, I put a little bit of gas. Let's see whether it works. This, as I had said, this is as good as dead, because even the front part does not produce any sparks. So this I will use in an artwork. And hoping this works. This is also one of my favorite pieces. But for some reason, oh, just seen some flame. It works a little bit, just a little bit. If you can see, there's a small flame. But I don't know why it's not working. Let me try and add some more gas in this. And give it a few minutes, just 1 minute. And then this guy that I was not able to really so this also does not work. Oh, it does work. Whoa. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at that. Wow. And then the good thing is that it doesn't stop lighting. There you go. Look at that. Oh, and then you can increase the flame and reduce it. And you only put it off by doing that. Wow. This is so amazing. I'm glad this one worked. Even if refilling it has some leakage. So let's check this out. The other vintage piece. And clearly that does not work. So this one has a problem, but it does light up. There's a little flame, if you can see there, but really, I'm so impressed by this. This is so amazing. Look at that. Wow. Look at that piece. Then you can actually increase the flame and reduce the flame. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. And to close it, you have to do that. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. My hope is that you learned something new today about refilling your gas lighters. And if anybody has an idea of how I can refill the big lighters, kindly let me know in the comment section below, and that will be of great help, because the big lighters come with a very non-universal port or hole, just like an iPhone. So let me know if you have a solution for this. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.